Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am sitting down just to record. Today is November 6th, 2024. I've kind of been keeping a secret just because like things were so uncertain, so not sure, and now that it's a little bit more sure, I am going to start the journey of documenting. A few months ago, my husband was at a occupational therapy convention. He happened to stop by a booth for the US Navy, and I think he was just chatting it up with the guy that was there, and he had mentioned that he wished he would have earlier in his life served. Well, the guy said it's never too late. So my husband was just like, whatever, let me just apply, just see what happens. Okay, well, he applied, and then they were like, okay, we're interested, why don't you go ahead and get your physical done. And so he got his physical done, everything checked out, and then they sent us a list of places that they needed OTs, and they asked us to rank them from the places that we wanted to go most to the least. And so for a little while there, we were in limbo because he hadn't received his orders, but he did receive a letter of like, congratulations, you've been selected to be in the Navy. We are going to Okinawa, Japan. Let that settle in. Let it settle in, because I have been letting it sink in and settle in. One, I'm ultra excited. I think that's an amazing opportunity, but I am oh so anxious and nervous. I haven't even told you when we're supposed to be there. Got the orders yesterday, and it says that we need to be in Okinawa, Japan by March 25th, 2025, okay? It is November, December, January, February, March. It'll be at the end of March. So we have about 4 months to find a renter for our house because we're not selling the house. Pack up our whole house. The girls have never flown on a plane before. We're moving to Japan. Okay, so we are planning on doing a garage sale coming up. So we just pulled out everything from the attic and it's all laying in the garage. So we're gonna just sort through it, see what we're gonna sell, what we're gonna donate, and watch us do that. So these are all the things that we pulled out. I've always loved this picture. A few boxes to go through, see what we're gonna do with things and what we're gonna list on the Facebook Marketplace. This is what we ended up picking to put on the Facebook Marketplace. We actually did sell almost everything you see here, and what didn't get sold, we donated. Okay, so it's been a few days, and to be quite honest with you, the crate that we had got from the Facebook Marketplace doesn't actually meet the criteria for travel because I couldn't put metal bolts on it, so we had to get a new one, and my husband hunted down one on the Facebook Marketplace that's supposed to be perfect, and it's arrived. So I'm gonna show you the giant box that it came with because my kids are having just the best time with it. Here's the box, and the girls are having a blast opening it up. Exciting things have happened. Let me pull up the chair so I'm not sitting on the floor. While they're playing in the box, I'm gonna chat with you about what has occurred today, which is very exciting, and it's starting to feel like this is actually happening. We had our flights booked, so we are really like going somewhere, okay? Leaving in March, and currently it's November 20th. It's almost December. My husband's gonna be gone January and February. So really, we got like no time. We have like no time. On the AMC rotator or PE, I think they're interchangeable. Space is very limited for pets, so I was able to get a spot because they opened it up today and we got it figured out today. Yes. Good job, honey. Look. Mira. India. Look. Right here. Get you a treat. Good morning. It's been a minute. So, as you can probably hear, I am sick. This one, I lost my voice and I've been coughing nonstop. But anyway, my husband is out in ODS school training
It's like officer training school. He has been there for 4 weeks and he's gone a total of 6 weeks. So I've been without him for 4 weeks and I feel like they've flown by because I'm doing everything. Now, thankfully, like I have my mom that comes and watches the girls so that I could go to work. But, when she leaves, it's me until she comes back again. So all day, all night, because the girls don't really sleep at night still. It's 2 weeks till he comes back and about 3 weeks for our move. I just feel like that sounds really crazy. I've gotten the dog crate settled. I hope that we won't have any problems when we get to the airport. We have passports. The moves are all scheduled for the last week of February 26th, 27th, and 28th. There's a lot of things happening those last 3 days because that's like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So they're coming to move. There's 2 different like packers, moving companies. One is gonna take stuff on an airplane and the second, apparently it's by ship. So that's gonna take about 2 months to get to Japan. So that would be like our big furniture. And then the essentials like our pots and pans and books, toys, computers, all of that is going to get there relatively fast. So far it seems like everything is lining up, and I think like one thing that's giving me a lot of anxiety for one is traveling with the girls because they've never flown on an airplane and those 2 plane rides are pretty long. 2, flying with my dog because she's gonna be with all the luggage in the undercarriage of the plane. That makes me so nervous. That's basically it. I think once things really start to move like that last week that we're here, I'm definitely gonna film, like a lot of things that are happening as they happen. Oh, we listed our house for rent and it's been up for 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks, and only 1 person has come to see it. With no luck. I don't think they chose our house. The girls are at my mom's. I dropped them off yesterday and I had a day of like self-care. I did a massage, which was brutal. By the way, I'm like super sore. She was like working out some knots and I'm so sore. Got my hair done. I dyed it back to black because I don't know who I'm gonna trust out there, but it feels soft and it looks shiny. That's it, you guys. I'll keep you posted. Good morning. So today is February 14th, Valentine's Day. I just realized that. I just spoke to my husband and they're graduating today from the training program. So we're live streaming it on my tablet because they do it on Facebook, not YouTube. And the girls just woke up. We had a heck of a night. But we're watching him graduate because we can't be there in person. Papi no está ahí todavía. Hay que esperar. We just watched him graduate on the Facebook Live. I don't think the girls really understood what was happening. I'm like, that's Papi, there's Papi. You couldn't really see him. But they did call out his name. He's officially dismissed. Got a 1-week training in like Washington, D.C. for medical stuff. I return Friday the 21st at like 5:30 p.m. I'm having like shirts made for me and the girls when we go pick him up. Say like, welcome home, Lieutenant Martoro. And I miss having him here and his presence. They listen to him better than they listen to me. I miss my partner. I miss my husband. So I'm excited to have him back. And the girls are definitely excited to have him back too. All right, see you next time. Good morning. Today is February 21st and my husband comes home today and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go walk inside the airport instead of just driving up to pick him up. This part is now over, which is fantastic. Yeah, I'll keep you posted throughout the day and it's gonna be a good day. So these are the shirts. Welcome home, Lieutenant Martoro, United States Navy 2025. My brother did them. They're super cute. I love it. We are so ready. Let me see your shirts, girls. Wow, look at a puppy.
The puppy was in the house.
Yeah, it says welcome home, puppy.
Welcome home,
Oh, okay.
puppy.
She just punched my camera.
Welcome
Whoa. Welcome home, puppy. Even the dog's here. She doesn't have a shirt. That would have been cute though.